welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. I welcome you all. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I would like to welcome you in my Ayurveda Academy channel. This channel is very useful for all types of medical students, BMS, MBBS, BHMS, pharmacy, nursing, everything. These videos, which are nearly 700 or 650 plus, these videos are useful for the students, for the teachers or the professors, for the upcoming doctors. Yes, there is medicine classes for GP playlist. You check that. Then there are subjects from first year BMS to last year BMS. शरीर रचना, शरीर क्रिया, निदान, द्रव्य गुण विज्ञान, शास्त्र, चिकित्सा, clinical examination, everything you will find in the Ayurveda Academy channel. And also there is online tuitions, online consultations for the patient. So this channel is useful for everybody. Those who want to learn Ayurveda, those who want to get benefit of Ayurveda. Today's lecture is ophthalmological instruments regarding the eye. Can you see that my central part is what everybody knows, that cornea, and this white part is a sclera. Color of the cornea is because of the iris, and centrally there is a pupil. So we have a lot of problems of the, for example, here is a lacrimal gland. So whenever there are problems with the lacrimal gland, dacryocystitis, there are problems with conjunctivitis, there may be problem with the common cataract problem. So all these type of the problems are there, and there are two types of treatment, medical treatments as well as surgical treatments. So these instruments are very useful for the practicals of fourth year BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. Simple instrument, but every instrument is very delicate. Eye surgery is very delicate. So every instrument is very small, very difficult to identify. So you must remember the names and uses of it. This video will be very useful for your practical and viva and spotting. So myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. So this is all Shalya Shalakya Tantra. It is the Shalakya. Surgery means Shalya, and this is ENT and ophthalmology both. That is Shalakya Tantra. Utility of this PPT: useful for the spotting and oral of the university examination. Teachers can get the helping hand of this PPT for teaching on the LCD projector. So let us start. Scissors, ophthalmic scissors. Very small scissors, very small. Conjunctiva cutting scissors. Sclerocorneal extension scissor. Anterior capsulectomy scissors. Okay. So ophthalmology surgical kit. Here you can see all forceps and what you can say, the scissors, everything you will see in this ophthalmology surgical kit. Okay, let us. Conjunctiva cutting scissor. Conjunctiva. It's a membrane on the sclera and the palpebral conjunctiva. Okay. Then conjunctiva cutting scissor in a very decent formation, very clear cut. This is actually that you get in the colleges, and you can have the demonstration like this, but to identify this picture will be more useful. So that's why more pictures are added in this particular video. Conjunctiva cutting scissor, short stout scissors with straight or curved blades, uses naturally for cutting and undermining the conjunctiva in various operations, and to cut the sutures, cutting of sutures. Sclerocorneal extension scissor, sclerocorneal extension scissors, curved scissors. Their cutting blades are kept apart by spring action. Uses: used to enlarge the corneal or sclera corneal incision in cataract surgery. Extend incision in keratoplasty. Anterior capsulectomy. Tomy means to cut. Anterior capsulectomy scissor. Delicate and small cutting blades are kept apart by spring action. Uses: for cutting anterior capsule of the lens in extracapsular surgery, for performing iridectomy. Limbs forceps. Limbs forceps. Non-traumatizing fine forceps with very fine teeth. Uses: for holding and suturing cornea, sclera and iris, for holding the corneal graft. anterior capsule holding forceps. Anterior capsule holding forceps. You can see very nice picture. Okay. This has a cup on inner side of the tip of each limb. Margins of the cups are very smooth, which do not damage the lens capsule when applied. Uses to hold the lens capsule during the lens delivery in intracapsular cataract extraction. To grasp and remove the capsular remnants after surgery. Caliper, measurement, caliper. It has a screw for adjustment. Can you see? Screw for adjustment. Uses to take the measurement during the operation like squint, retinal detachment, ptosis, etc. to measure the corneal diameter. Needle holder. Needle very small. Here you can see. Here. Here you can hold the needle. Needle holder. Spring action. Can you see here? Here it is a spring action. In between I am explaining because less of time is there. Available in various sizes like 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 with straight or curved tips. Needle holder is used for getting the sutures in conjunctiva, cornea, sclera, and extraocular muscles. This is with or without locking device. Needle holder. Can you see here needle? Can you see the needle? Needle holder. Mosquito artery forceps straight. Mosquito artery forceps straight. Curved stout forceps with catch near the ringed end. Can you see here? This is called as I am showing you the catch. This is catch. This is catch. Okay. As a small in size, because this is very small, mosquito is a small. So this is called as a mosquito, very small artery forceps to catch the bleeding vessel, to hold the gauze pieces while packing after operation. Curved mosquito artery forceps. Straight artery forceps. This is named as a mosquito artery forceps. Difference is only that this instrument has a straight blade. Straight scissor. This is scissor. Fine pointed scissor with straight sharp cutting blades. To cut the conjunctival sutures, eyelashes should be cut before surgery. Eyelashes, they are cut by the scissor. Vectis wire. Can you see the wire over here? Can you see wire? Vectis wire. This is a wire loop attached to the metallic handle to remove the nucleus in extracapsular cataract extraction. ECCE, to remove the subluxated lens. Anterior capsule filling forceps. Anterior capsule filling forceps. It is used to hold the anterior capsule of mature cataract. Superior rectus muscle holding forceps. Superior rectus holding muscle forceps. Toothed forceps with S-shaped curve near the tip. S-shaped curve near the tip. Okay, can you get it over here? Yes. Uses to hold the superior rectus muscle while passing a bridle suture under it. Bridle suture. Cornea holding forceps. Cornea holding forceps. Toothed forceps. To hold the cornea or sclera or conjunctiva during surgery. Ball point cautery. Ball point cautery. Ball point cautery has rounded projection at tip to coagulate small bleeding points during any surgery of the eye. Iris repositor. Iris repositor. It has a delicate, flat, straight or bent blade with blunt edges and tip attached to a handle. Can you see? Yes. Uses to repose the iris in anterior chamber during iris prolapse. Self-retaining universal eye speculum. Self-retaining. Universal eye speculum. Picture, very nice picture. Self-retaining universal eye speculum, you must be able to identify in spotting and practical viva. Eye speculum, used for both eyes, right and left. It has two limbs and spring mechanism. Universal eye speculum with screw. Wire eye speculum. Eye speculums are used to keep the leads apart during any intraocular surgery, enucleation or evisceration surgery. During the examination of eye in patients with blepharospasm, spasm of the eyelid, blepharospasm, plain suture tying forceps, plain suture tying forceps, simple forceps without tooth to hold the conjunctiva during any eye surgery and to tie the sutures. Lens holding forceps. They may be looking very similar. Huh? Lens holding forceps. Fine forceps with blunt limbs, bent limbs to hold the hyptic or IOL intraocular lens during its placement, used for suture tying. Punctum, punctum dilator to expand, punctum dilator. Punctum dilator. It has a cylindrical corrugated metallic handle. Can you see? Metallic handle, serrated, okay? With a conical pointed tip. Uses to dilate the punctum and canaliculus during sac syringing in dacryocystitis. Here, lacrimal gland, dacryocystitis, punctum dilator. Crescent knife, crescent knife. See, crescent knife, blunt tipped, having cut splitting action at tip and both sides. Uses to make the tunnel incision on sclera and cornea. Keratome, keratome, keratome. It is a thin diamond shaped blade with sharp apex and two cutting edges, used to make the valvular corneal incision to enter into the anterior chamber during cataract surgery. Enucleation, enucleation scissors, enucleation scissor, two curved blades used in enucleation of panophthalmitis, total panophthalmitis, inflammation of whole eye. Entropion, eyelashes turn inside, entropion clamp, entropion clamp, D-shaped plate opposed by U-shaped ring with screw. Okay, uses used in the lead surgeries like entropion or entropion corrections. Chalazion, chalazion clamp. It is consist of two limbs like forceps which can be clamped with the help of screw. What are the uses? Chalazion clamp to fix chalazion and achieve hemostasis to stop the bleeding during incision and curating. Colibri forceps, colibri forceps, colibri forceps, forceps with a fine teeth at the tip, used to hold the corneal or scleral edge for suturing in cataract, glaucoma, keratoplasty surgeries. Anterior capsule peeling with tooth, anterior capsule peeling with tooth, used to hold the anterior capsule of mature cataract. Von Graffy's cataract knife, Von, Von Graffy's cataract knife, Von Graffy's cataract knife, long, narrow, thin, straight blade with a sharp tip and cutting edges on one side, used to take incision on sclerocorneal junction from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock position. Von Graffy's knife to cut, to take the incision. Von Graffy's cataract knife 2, eye shield, covering eye shield. After eye surgery, it is given for the protection of eye shield. Lacrimal, here is the lacrimal gland, both sides, here, right and left. Lacrimal sac dissector with scoop, lacrimal sac dissector with scoop. Dissection and cleaning during the lacrimal sac cleaning, for blunt dissections and cleaning during the operations like dacryocystorhinoplasty, rhinostomy, dacryocystorhinostomy. Huh? Lead retractor, lead retractor to retract the lead during examination of eyeball in cases of blepharospasm in children, ecchymosis, removal of the corneoscleral sutures, removal of the corneal foreign body lid retractor. This is all about the eyes instruments, eye surgical instruments, ophthalmology instruments. This video is fantastic for the fourth year BAMS students for the practical and viva of Shalakya Tantra. So, my dear friends, my videos, my all these efforts are for everybody, for students, teachers, professors, doctors, and also the patients. If you want online classes, online consultations, you can WhatsApp me 9226 at 10630, PPT as per demand, audio as per demand, videos as per demand. Yes, all these are paid services. Okay. So I'm very, very thankful to you for giving you a lot of strength by sharing these videos, by good compliments, by good feedbacks, and I wish you all the best. Please ask all of your friends to subscribe my YouTube channel to get push to my efforts. So I wish you all the best in your studies as well as in your practice. If you are ill, get well soon. I wish you all the best. Myself, Professor Deshpande. Bye bye.